In this episode, we are going to study the refrigerant R1234yf. Let's start by saying that R1234yf refrigerant gas is an HFO refrigerant, which replaces r134a in air conditioning equipment of new car models. The main features of the R1234yf are: 1. Like all HFO refrigerants, R1234yf has non-ozone depleting and has a low GWP of only 4. 2. R1234yf refrigerant has great thermal and chemical stability, low toxicity, and is slightly flammable, as well as having excellent compatibility with most materials. 3. The safety classification of the refrigerant R1234yf is at 2L. 4. The R1234yf refrigerant is miscible with copolyester synthetic oils and PAG polyalkylene glycols, so it should always be used with this type of oil. 5. It is important to mention that the R1234yf refrigerant is also used in water chillers in the industrial and commercial sector. 6. Since January 1, 2018, in many areas it is mandatory for vehicle manufacturers to use R1234yf in automotive air conditioning systems. 7. The law requires the use of a refrigerant with a GWP lower than 150 in automotive air conditioning systems. Currently R1234yf is the best alternative. 8. It is known that HFC refrigerants can remain in the atmosphere for years, while R1234yf has a life measured in just days. 9. The evaporators of the systems for R1234yf must be more robust than those used with r134a. 10. Kilogram of R1234yf is much more expensive than r134a. 11. The internal components of a system that works with R1234yf must be designed to minimize the production of sparks. 12. Systems designed to work with R1234yf must not be redesigned or replaced with r134a. 13. The heat transfer coefficient of R1234yf refrigerant is 18 to 21% less than that of r134a. 14. The pressure drop of R1234yf is 20 to 24% less than that of r134a during the condensation and evaporation processes. 15. The COP coefficient of performance of R1234yf is lower than that of r134a, between 1, 3 and 5%, that is, very close. 16. Although R1234yf is slightly flammable, it is difficult to ignite and has a slow spread of flame. In addition, its toxicity was evaluated in independent laboratories and the result was a toxicity similar to that of r134a. At this moment it is appearing, the link to episode 17. Thanks for joining us.